It's Saturday, March 28th, and here's the latest updates that we got going on. All right, so it's the next day, and interestingly, I think we may have found the culprit here. So on this piece here, you see how far this gap is, and so it feels like this hose may have, I don't know where it goes. Oh, it goes down there. It connects down there, I believe. Yeah. So it looks like it may have, that's quite askew. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the engine for a second and keep an eye on it. Okay, Steph, go ahead and start it up. Yeah, that's where it's leaking. I saw a drop. Yep. Okay, kill it. Thankfully, Gowesty sells an aluminum bleeder valve, so I went ahead and purchased that. My mechanic, Arturo, he also noticed that there was another part that was fragile because it was plastic. There's an H pipe. This I couldn't find in aluminum, but that's okay. Here's the diagram. If you go over to Gowesty, you can see where they're actually located. But I do really appreciate that they were so supportive. And during this crisis going on, we're able to still ship it out next day. So thank you to Gowesty. It's one thing this whole experience has taught me. It's more about, I think, interacting with people than it is actually moving in the van itself, at least for now. Um, so between Go Westy and even the bus depot, and even with Arturo, just you're forging, I think, lasting relationships, and it's just a different way of looking at it. I guess I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Trying to find a way to justify all the money I've spent, but something about this just seems like, I don't know. For me, it's just been so much fun, and it got me out of the same old grind of what I've been doing day to day. We took our dog for a walk, and I love this. I'm trying to keep a sense of humor. Beware of dog. The cat is shady too. I really love that. Even though some may think it's difficult to live all crammed in a one bedroom apartment with four people, my father, we actually do get along so well, my daughters, and just super happy that we're together and we're safe, and that's really important.